Hey, how's it going? I just wanted to take a minute with you guys to talk about the quad I just built. The frame is the X Hover WIN5L. The reason I'm making this is because I really haven't seen many videos online about this frame other than the one that Captain Vanover did, and that was back when it came out, and I haven't really seen anything since. So, first of all, the frame is super light. I am a freestyler. I don't really do racing or anything, but so I've been running on a Rooster, this guy, and I love that quad. It's a great basher, just kind of slow and clunky, just because it's a freestyle quad and for the weight. This little guy is absurdly light. So they took out one of the arm bolts, and so you have that exposed side right there. I haven't ran into any problems with that, but that takes off weight, and they're 5mm thick arms. So I've smashed it in my 3 flights so far. I've smashed it into a tree and the ground pretty good, and no signs whatsoever of any weakening parts or anything, which is a great sign. I don't really know if I'm going to be using it for racing, because I don't I don't really race. It was super easy to put together, super lightweight. I have a scale right here. So this has the GoPro mount on it. So this weight I'm about to give you is including a GoPro mount, and it comes in at 287 exactly grams. As compared to my Rooster, looking at 404 grams. So I mean, it's a good 100 grams less than the Rooster, and in the 3 flights I've put into it, it's crazy how much faster and lighter it just feels. Everything feels a little bit more locked in. It's basically doing everything for me. So what I have inside is I have a Microlux Stack V3, one of those. It's got 32 amp ESCs, it's a whole stack, and it's awesome. I have everything set up in Betaflight and D-Shot. I have my props reversed. This is actually the first quad I've built from like start to finish, and I'm glad I did it, and now that I know how to do it, I'm just going to be building quads all the time. But I have the RunCam Micro Swift in there. It's just kind of on those 2 3D printed mounted mounts, and I'm not sure how I feel about those. Only time will tell with that. It just seems kind of sketchy, but I'm probably wrong about that. It's probably totally fine. The only trouble I ran into with this is the fact that the stack has to be a 20 by 20. I had a little bit of trouble. I was kind of waiting it out and get a 20 by 20 stack that I thought would be good for this. I'm not really familiar with Raceflight or anything, and I know they have a good one. I just didn't really want to dip my toes into that pool quite yet. So I got this one, Betaflight D-Shot, yeah, and it runs really awesome. I just wanted to give a quick little rundown of how it works, and here's some flight video.